was a frightening two-headed beast that dwelled in the loch between two once verdant but now quite desolate towering hills. This beast could fly in the air and slither on the land and breathe out fire. All the people and the animals of the land lived in mortal fear of it, so a hunter was chosen to seek out the beast and slay it. And one misty morning the hunter approached the loch between the hills, and sighting the beast in the gloom, the hunter attacked with full force. The fight was fierce, but the hunter managed to sever one of the beast's heads. It was not long before the second head was removed, but the beast refused to die. It flew up high above the hunter, its wings the sound of thunder. Then a terrible sound, like a broken voice, came from the body of the beast, and the hunter began to tremble because of the noise. The beast unleashed a dreadful curse, so that where the hunter once stood, now panted a large black dog, cursed to live out the rest of its life in that form. The hunter, now dog, confused and frightened at being in the strange new body, leapt around in a wild frenzy. And eventually the hunter dog tired itself out and came to rest by the side of the loch. A kindly selkie who dwelt in the loch came to speak to the hunter dog. "I saw what happened to you," the selkie said. "I cannot undo the curse, but if you bring me the two heads of the beast, I will tell you how to defeat it, and so break the curse and become human again." "Does that sound fair?" the selkie asked. The hunter dog barked twice and ran off to find the heads. And on its return, the selkie thanked the hunter dog and said, "Listen closely. Go to the island in the middle of the loch, and when you arrive, you must find and catch the white deer. Then you must find and catch the white crow. And after this, you must find and catch the white fish. There's an egg in the mouth of the fish, and when you take this egg, the beast cannot harm you. If the egg is broken, the beast will be defeated and the curse lifted." "But how can I do all these things in this body?" barked the dog. "It's true I cannot break the curse, though I can give you the power to take the form of other animals, but only for a short time, and only if you promise to bring me back the two halves of the eggshells. Does that sound fair?" The hunter dog barked twice and leapt into the water. Starting to paddle, the hunter dog's shape began to take the form of an eel. And in no time at all, it began to near the island in the loch. still weakened from the battle with the hunter, the beast crawled to the shallow end of the loch, and there it sent out tentacles that grew from its necks in order to prevent the hunter dog from obtaining the egg. The beast was powerless to cause any harm. Instead, it sought to trick the dog so that it would loosen its grip on the egg. For the beast knew that if it could just get hold of the egg, it would be able to regenerate, heal all its wounds, and become more powerful than ever before. Then the beast began to create a powerful wind with its wings to blow the egg from the hunter dog's mouth. But this made the hunter dog hold on even tighter, and under the pressure, the egg began to crack. The beast at once ceased the gale and pleaded for the egg not to be crushed, but then began to lie that it would remove the curse. Swiftly it swiped the egg away from the hunter dog's paws. But the hunter dog was not alone, for the creatures of the woods came to help. And with the egg under its paw, the dog pressed down, cracking it in two. The beast howled, and the sound was the sound of 1,000 thunderclaps. Two halves of the beast began to transform, and the curse began to unravel. The Silky now re-emerged and called out to the hunter to put the shells in the beast's mouths, and the heads began to transform. And two headless spirit beings stirred and rose up. Taking their heads from the shore, they put them back on their necks, and at once recognized each other as the spirits of the towering hills. For a while they embraced, but now it was time for them to go back, one to one hill and one to the other. And all around the once barren land was coming to life. Grasses and flowers pushed through the hard ground. Freshwater springs burst from the dry rocks. The trees erupted from the old soil, reaching their branches excitedly towards the sun. The creatures of the wood danced and sang a song about a Silky and a hunter, and how what was once is now no more.